presenting the AG-4 GYRO from ARKEDGE RC. It comes in an aluminum body which weighs around 3 grams, including the Velcro from my kit. Here are the servo, gyro gain, and receiver lead connections. Take note, there is no manual gain adjustment for this unit. You will have to access it via the third channel or the app. First, we set the neutral and end point of the steering. Hold the set button and power on the ESC. Wait until you see the red light before you release the button to enter the EPA set mode. Once the red light is stable, set the neutral point of your steering by adjusting your trims. Press the button once when done. The green light indicates you can set the left or right end point first. Press the button once while holding the desired angle and release when done. The blue light indicates you can set the opposite end point. Press the button once while holding the desired angle and release when done. Once finished, the indicator light should be stable depending on the mode color of your setup. Check that the direction of the gyro is the same as this. If not, repeat the process. When starting the system, wait until the steering snaps to center before using. This gyro features the customizable damping, sensitivity, steering ratio, and gyro curve. To enable the Bluetooth, hold the set button and power on the ESC. Release the button when you see the blue light. Now enter the app and set the parameters based on your preference. Now we move on to the different modes. There are 5 which I will share the effects based on my observation. We start with mode 1, which is the linear feel. The gyro assist will kick in from start till the end of the angle. This gives the most assist and stable feel. However, it may introduce too much understeer on certain tracks. As you increase the modes, the gyro will give less assist from a certain point in the middle of the curve to give you more angle as you approach corners. This can benefit tight and twisty tracks or when chasing. Here are some clips of the gyro modes. I have narrowed them down from mode 1, 3, and 5. Notice the increase in angles they give whenever I transition from turn to turn. Overall, this gyro has been a huge upgrade to my previous setup, eliminating almost 95% of my steering wobbles with the default settings. The drive feel is completely locked in and responds to my inputs accurately. It also gives an advantage to those who are not using a programmable servo. They can dampen or adjust the steering response directly from the gyro. The modes are also a great help in adapting to tracks without compensating for the gyro gain. The only disadvantage I see is the lack of manual gyro gain adjustment for those who will not be using a multi-channel transmitter. Price-wise, it may not be on the lower tier, but for sure, you will definitely get what you paid for. I hope ARKEDGE will give us the ability to customize the modes and possibly continue to give us updates for the hardware side. That's all for now. Order yours at ARKEDGERC.com.